In this video, we're going to quickly learn how to download and install the DDC Joyig font right onto your PC. Hey guys, so what's on your mind? I hope you all are doing great. Let's dive straight into the tutorial. First, open your browser and search for Joyig font download. Scroll down and open the official website of the Dzongkha Development Commission, that is dzongkha.bt/dz/tools. Now you will see DDC Joyig Basic. Click here to download the DDC Joyig font. It has now finished downloading. You will also notice other fonts available here, such as Dzongkha if you would like to download them as well. Now go to your downloads folder. Click here on the file and install the font. Next, open MS Word and check whether the Joyig font has been installed. Type your Dzongkha text here. Go to the font section and select DDC Joyig. You can either type DDC Joyig in the font search box or scroll down until you find it and select it. Boom, we have successfully downloaded and installed the Joyig font. If this video helped you, show us some love by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. Also leave your comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Bye for now, until next time.